Hi all, welcome to today's session. In this session, we are going to continue with limit continuity and differentiation session 4 under engineering mathematics semester 1. So before getting started, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit on the bell icon to get regular notification. And if you have not watched the previous 3 sessions, please get back to the playlist, watch those sessions and then come back to this so that the concepts becomes crisp and clear. Let's start with session 4. So we have an amazing problem over here in our session 4. Show that the limit of a mod x as x tends to 0 equals 0. So the question itself expects you to derive some limits. I mean the RHL and LHL value, the right neighborhood and the left neighborhood values using the question. It is expecting you to derive it. So let's now start with the solution part. In our solution, first we will write the given data. Given our f of x will be, so mod x means x can be minus x or plus x. So it can be minus x if and only if x is less than 0. Okay, let's be clear with it. Minus x if it is less than 0. It is plus x if x is either greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so for writing this condition, you will be getting complete marks. I can rather tell you, just because after writing this condition, you can do the remaining steps as such. So you have your left hand limit and your right hand limit. So now we will find out the left hand limit. LHL is equal to limit of mod x, or rather instead of mod x I'll put it as minus x as x tends to 0 from the left hand side, which is equal to 0. Right, this is our left hand limit. Now look at the right hand limit. From the right side, limit of plus x as x tends to 0 plus from the right side, then also it is 0. Okay, now clearly, since let's write few statements over here. Clearly, since our left hand limit is equal to our right hand limit, you saw it in the previous slide, right? Your left hand limit and your right hand limit are equal. Since they are equal, limit of f of 0 as x tends to 0 is equal to 0, isn't it? Yes, 0 is equal to 0, which is nothing but equal to f of 0. Okay, rather than this, let me put it in this way. Sorry for this. Let me just put it in this way. Limit of f of s as x tends to 0 equals f of 0. Right. That is nothing but limit of f of x as x tends to 0 implies limit of mod x as x tends to 0 is equal to 0. So hence we have proved. Hence proved. Right. So clear with this question. You want me to pause for a minute? We will pause. Feel free to ask any doubt in the comment window. We'll clarify it. Okay. Cool. So in this session, basically we got to know, in case of proving questions, if the data is not given in the required format, we are converting the data to the required format and then we are going to solve. Okay, this is all about this video session 4. Okay, in our next session 5 we will be looking about one more beautiful problem over there, and that is pretty simple and majority of them will like that. Before ending this video, if you have liked this video, please click on the thumbs up button. Please do share this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.